Feature at the end that's very cool, very impressive. Everyone, we're out here at Enclave at Buena Vista. We're gonna do a tour, and I want to say thank you to Marisa for letting us do this, and also the builder is Froehlich, so I want to thank them as well. You're gonna get a sneak peek of how amazing this builder is, so let's go and take a tour. And today we're taking a tour of the Cambridge floor plan. This particular floor plan can come with a 4-bedroom with a den, 3 full bathrooms, and it runs around 2764 square feet. So let's get started. Approach the entryway, you're gonna have the double door entry. All right, so this side you're gonna have office. And then this side you're gonna have the 2 bedrooms with the full bathroom. So if you take a look, this office has got the tall ceilings. It's at the front of the home, so you can have an office up here and be able to see what's going on in the neighborhood. You got a full bathroom here. You have a good sized bedroom up at the front of the home. And you have another bedroom here with the high ceilings, 8-foot door. You got this open kitchen. You have the white shaker. With the farmhouse sink. Really big island. All the appliances are included. It's KitchenAid, except the fridge. But look how awesome this is. Formal dining room over here. And over here is somewhat like a guest suite, so we'll get to see that in a second here. Then you have this cool pantry. Very big pantry. All right, so now we're gonna look at the guest suite. And like I said, stay to the end so I can show you the bonus of this home that will really impress you. So let's go. All right, so this is considered the guest suite. So you're gonna have this nice full big closet off to your right. Very big closet. You have a full bathroom over here. What I like about this, so if you have an older family member that moves in with you, it's great because it has a very low curb. So if they have hip issues or any issues, very classy look in here. It's got the quartz counters and a very spacious bedroom. So a very good size room for a family member or a teenager that might be moving back into your home. So now let's go take a little tour of the living room. Very open. What I love about this room here, you have these sliders that open up, but you have all this massive area that has just a very open feel, very great concept to have that outdoors, kind of indoor type of living. So you've got to see on that side there, the guest suite, up at the front, the 2 bedrooms, the den. Let's go look at the primary bedroom. Kind of walk in again. Same tall 8-foot doors. And this thing is massive. This is a king size bed. You have all this space, so it's probably equivalent to the king size. So this is massive. But come and take a look at this very spa-like type of bathroom. So you have a huge tub. You got your double vanity over here with the quartz. You got your massive shower, walk-in shower. Look how huge this is. Then you have your bathroom over here. And then you have a cool closet situation where you can have his and hers on both sides. And this is massive. But I wanted to have you stay to the end so I can show you this cool little feature here. So you got this door that leads into this really luxurious laundry room. It's got a sink over here, quartz counters. You put your washer and dryer there, but this is a very big space. So what's cool about this is it has this little walkway through here. So what I would do, and I would always have this locked, and then when I come in from work, I just kind of throw all my clothes in here. So all right, so hopefully you like this. Hit me up for more details, but I appreciate you watching this. Let me know if you have questions, but I want to thank Marisa and also Froehlich for allowing me to feature this home. And there are homes available right now, so let me know if you have any interest in here. This is the Southwest, so it's the southwest part of town, and let me know if you have questions.